Bro. On the alien language. Bro.
That's capturing PS5 too.
Bass.
Yeah.
Bro.
Just like how GTA pushing the engine. Naughty
Get
Dog's
the
doing a
best
good
out of
job.
it.
Yep. Look at those visuals.
Everybody gonna ball in the movie, games, man. And she like straight as this on Last of Us the movie.
That's
her.
her.
That's her?
Told you that was her,
That's crazy.
That's her. That's her.
Bro.
TV show season 2.
Putting them to work.
Excellent.
How is that excellent? That's the fucking superior. No one has left that planet in over 600 years. Anyone who even flies close to it has never heard from again.
You even heard the jacket when she flopped the jacket.
Mm-hmm.
Superstitions are the crazy rumors about what happened on that planet. These aren't facts.
You worry too much.
You know what I work into right now? I say, the way those who eat before, how about?
Yeah, $90 on some.
Man.
He's not worth it. I'm wasting my time on that.
Can you please blame him? Are there any other hunters swooping in?
Who was swooping? No one's crazy enough to go there.
He clearly is.
He is clearly desperate.
And so am I, so claim him, or I will find another agent.
Really fucking. Okay. Alright, you know what?
A few game companies capable of doing it.
Yep.
It's crazy.
Thank you.
I'll see you on the other side.
See, that's my question. Since GTA come out in 2026,
What is fall in?
what is fall exactly? 2026 or 2027?
Got to.
And if it falls in
That's good.
2027, it's a possibility it could be a PlayStation 6 game.
Pet Shop Boys. They got. That's crazy. 80s joint playing. Hey, it's got Adidas? No. Yeah, yo. Oh, yeah.
Porsche spaceship.
Crazy. Because that's actually a real 80s group. Uncharted, Last of Us.
Man.
Yeah. This life is gonna be here.
I like the way how the frames look. Look how clean it is. Look at the grass. See that?
Bro, yeah. You see that?
Man. It's crazy how when she, the sword lit up,
Yeah, the
how
grass,
the grass
and
moved
red.
with it. Yeah. Tell attention to detail. Attention to detail. So just don't have a release date yet, so.
Oh yeah, I say 2026 or beginning of 2027.
Yeah, that's
That's man.
great game.